So much speed!
It's the same road we're walking down, same job, same town. Cause we've been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known, stepping on the footprints in the snow. But when it melts, the other ways will show. We're gonna make the footsteps on our own. That life can wait just for a while. That life can wait, so take that aside and just go on.
Hi everybody, we are here at our campsite and we're camping today at the Matroosberg Nature Reserve. This beautiful, beautiful pinewood forest. All I can see around me is just pine cones and they are falling from every direction, and this is such a pretty campsite. We have got a private campsite as well, and we're here with two of our other friends, Stephen and Nicolene, and it is just so perfect here. And we're about to pitch the tent and you know, go and check out some rock pools a little bit later, but this is going to be a very nice activity, especially because John and I are also fighting at the moment. We are
Mortal
going
Kombat.
through Mortal Kombat and yeah, so we're very unhappy with each other, you know, and it's just what couples go through. But yeah, at the moment, so we'll try not to kill each other in the campsite, but I think this is going to be very good for us.
Yeah. This is an absolutely beautiful nature reserve. It's really cool. The campsite is totally cool. I'm also super impressed that my Hyundai i10 handled all of the dirt roads. It handled the journey over here. So that's really cool. And we're going to take a look at this tent and see what happens. Hello.
Eggs and bacon.
Eggs and bacon. And coffee.
And coffee. So this is a beautiful bathroom that they've actually created out of a JoJo can, and this is something that generally holds a lot of water, but just look at the way that they've actually created this shower. This is our bathroom. There's the shower.
Washing dishes, an essential part of camping. You cannot go with like an untidy, dirty campsite. No ways.
I'm still a little bit sleepy, but the shower was great and nice and hot. I think I'm gonna go get a nice cup of coffee, because coffee is essential too.
been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known, stepping on the footprints in the snow. But when it melts, the other ways will show. We're gonna make the footsteps on our own. That life can wait just for a while. That life can wait. So take that aside and just go on.
There we go. Oh, that's all good, yeah.